Hello guys, good afternoon. My name is Himalaya Sam Ibrahim. Today I want to explain the lesson about teaching and learning, a comprehensive study on the foundations of education. Check it out. Okay, first slide. Definition of teaching. Teaching is the structure process by which an educator imparts knowledge, skills, and values to learners, building a purposeful bridge between what is taught and what is understood. Facilitator role. The teacher actively guides, supports, and scaffolds the learning experience, not just delivering content, but ensuring it lands a structured process. Effective teaching involves deliberate planning, clear delivery, and ongoing assessment to ensure learning objectives are met. Goal oriented. Every teaching act is directed toward a purpose, developing understanding, building skill, and shaping positive attitudes in learners. Next slide. Definition of learning. Learning is the active process by which individuals acquire new knowledge, behaviors, and skill through experience, study, or instruction, resulting in a meaningful and lasting change. 3. Learning. Cognitive learning, behavioral learning, and experiential learning. The next, the relationship between teaching and learning. Teaching and learning are two sides of the same coin or cannot be fully effective without the other. Teaching provides structure, direction, and clear objectives, content delivery and explanation, feedback and ongoing assessment, adapts method to learner needs. Learning responds with active reception and processing of information, practice and skill application, reflection and self-assessment, building on prior knowledge. The next example of teaching 4. Introduce the topic. Teacher asks, what do plants need to survive? Activating prior knowledge and sparking curiosity before new content is introduced. Deliver content. Draws a clear diagram showing sunlight, water, and CO double conversion into glucose and oxygen, making the abstract process visible. Demonstrate, conducts a live experiment, covers a leaf with foil, then observes the color change, making the concept tangible and memorable. Check understanding. Student label the diagram independently and answer, where does the energy come from? Confirming coherence before moving on. Okay, next slide. Teaching methods have a 6 lecture, discussion, problem-based, flipped classroom, demonstration, cooperative learning. No single method fits all situations. Effective teachers select and adapt approaches based on context, learner needs, and learning goals. Next slide. Example of learning skill. Case study. Learning to play guitar. The four stages of competence. First, unconscious incompetence. You don't know what you don't know. First time picking up a guitar. Unaware of how much there is to learn. Stage 2, conscious incompetence. You don't realize how much there is to learn. Chords, rhythm, finger placement. It feels overwhelming. Stage 3, conscious competence. You can play a song, but must think hard about every step. Progress is real, but concentration is required. Stage 4, unconscious competence. Playing becomes natural and fluid. Muscle memory takes over. You can focus on expression, not technique. Next slide. Why teaching and learning matter. Personal growth shapes critical thinking, creativity, and self-awareness. Learners will reflect deeply, develop stronger problem-solving capabilities, and lifelong adaptability. Social progress educates communities, drive innovation, equality, and civic engagement. Shared knowledge builds more just and cooperative societies. Economic development, a skill educate workforce is the engine national growth. Learning directly translates into productivity, entrepreneur, and economic resilience. Character building beyond facts and skills. Education instills values, empathy, discipline, responsibility, and integrity, forming the moral compass of future generations. The last is conclusion. Have a three. Teaching and learning are inseparable. Great teaching creates the condition for learning. Active learning gives teaching its purpose. 2. Effective educators adapt their methods to meet learners where they are, not where they expect them to be. 3. Learning is a lifelong journey, transforming individuals, driving societies forward, and shaping the future. Thank you. That's all from me. I do apologize. See ya.